I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon and head of Plastic and Aesthetic Center at CK Birla Hospital, Gurugram. And today, in Tunes with the Time, we'll discuss about the technologies which are used in plastic surgery. Now, technologies, as we say, bring us closer. Right now, as we are chatting across various parts of the world, sitting here just with the help of a technology that we can exchange knowledge. So that is why we chose this topic to bring awareness that how plastic surgery can change your life for better, and that too use of latest technologies. So I have divided this talk into three parts in which we'll discuss about different aspects of the body. First, we'll discuss about the body contouring, how do we do it, and what is the latest technology. Secondly, we'll discuss about the breast implants, what's the latest in breast implants, what technology should be used and what should not be used. Thirdly, we will use something about the face, what all non-surgical procedures can be done on patients which are a good candidate for facial procedures. Body contouring is basically liposuction. We do it by liposuction. Liposuction, understand the fact that liposuction means taking out the fat. Lipo means fat and suction means taking out the fat. So liposuction traditionally has been used with the help of a cannula. This is the traditional cannula that has been used. Now, as you can see, there are multiple holes in this. Now, through very small holes in your body, we get inside the subcutaneous fat that is present between the skin layer and the deep layer. We take out that fat. So, this holes in the cannula suck that fat out. Now, the important thing is that we have to do to and fro movements like this while sucking out the fat. While we are doing this to and fro movements, there is obviously some trauma that is caused to the tissue. Therefore, in some cases, there is delayed recovery. Also, there is delayed healing, and bruising and swelling can stay for longer than 7 to 8 days. So, is there some technology that has revolutionized the series of liposuction or taking out the fat from your body, be it in the chest region, like in the males, like in gynecomastia, like in the arms, like in the tummy region, like in chest, and all the other regions where liposuction can be done. Now, there is a revolutionary technology which has helped to decrease all these complications like swelling, bruising, faster recovery, and faster healing. Now, this technology, as we know right now, is the power assisted liposuction or micro air. So, as you can see, this is a power held device. This is connected to the electric motor which powers it, sucks the fat much more faster without causing much less trauma, less bruising, less swelling, and faster recovery. Now, micro air liposuction or power assisted liposuction has also an advantage of taking out the extra fat with much less fatigue. That means your surgeon can do much more amount of work as the effort that is put while taking the fat out from your body is much less. So the results are better as the finesse can be achieved without much hassles. Another thing, the advantage is that the recovery time has been shown to be decreased in the studies by the use of these devices like power assisted liposuction. So use of this power assisted liposuction can be done in the cases of gynecomastia in males which have female like chest, whether in the tummy fat, the plank fats, back fat, thigh fats, or in the arm fat. So this has decreased the operation time and hence increased the patient safety also. So this is the latest technology in which is there in very few centers in India and very few surgeons are trained in it. Fortunately, we are the highest number of micro surgery center that we are in CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. So we have been using this technology with very good results in the past also. It's ensured and helped our patient to get better results with proper safety and faster recovery so that they return to their work much more faster.